Hi skaters, today we have an exciting video. I know it's been a while, we apologize. I've been really busy. Jazz has been busy too. We've actually decided to turn the back half of our mini ramp into a chicken coop. Whoa. First I was going to do a little shed, but then Jazz actually was in here and we were talking for one Friday night and she was like, this would be a perfect chicken coop. So I used a lot of the scrap wood to make this, and if you want we'll get a shot of the little chickie babies inside.
All right.
Then we'll move on to the tutorial real quick.
All right,
so
let's check it out.
What kind of chickies are these? I mean,
they are speckled Sussex.
Yeah, we won't spend too much time in here, but
there are 4 of them. You can see the girls. Their names are Rosie, Lily, Daisy, and Poppy.
Yeah.
Hi, girls.
So
hi.
that's what we decided.
Yeah.
It's really cool inside here. It utilizes the whole inside space. Big space, made a little ramp and some perch bars.
Cool.
Pretty nice. So we'll move on up here, and then I'm working on dropping a swimming pool into the ground here too, and a deck. Lots of projects.
So you haven't been skating as much, huh?
I have not been skating. But, so today's video is a little tutorial on how to do a front side air to fakie air. I discovered how to do these. I watched a thing on YouTube, an event called the Quad Cup 22. And it was these girls were going back fakie and they were actually getting air. I'm like, that's pretty cool, because I still have not been able to figure out how to do a fakie stall. So I decided to do these. So we'll get to it. Maybe that's one thing anyone out there is having a hard time with doing a fakie stall. These fakie airs are cool. Well, I learned how to do the front side airs a while ago, but the fakie airs, I'm getting there and it's a lot of fun. So we'll get to it. So you first start pumping back and forth. You want to really of course, be comfortable first off, pumping back and forth, front to fakie. And keep your knees bent, soft, and in this aggressive stance where you're staggered always. And you want to try to be neutral. So when you start doing these, start real low, don't go so high. And you're gonna go, when you get to the top, just pick up your feet like that, and you bring your knees up to you. This is the front side air, okay? We'll do this one first. Go up, and pick your legs up. And I'm doing them real low. I'm not going real high right now, just real low. So you want to stay real comfortable and keep your feet, like, you want to rest your skates back on the ramp like that and roll backwards. And once you're comfortable with doing these a few times, we'll do the fakies. And to these, what I do when I do these, I'm looking back the way I want to go. You know, my right foot's back, I'm looking back. And when I go to do these, I'm looking back at where I go, and the second I start to jump, I look back forward to see where I'm going again. Okay, and it helps spot where you're going. So what I'm seeing, I'm looking back, and I look forward. Now, you're doing real low first. These are real fun because you gain a lot of speed. Go up, pick your feet up. Pick your feet up.
Oh.
So like I said, you get a lot of speed doing these. So it's important when you do these fakie ones that you stay kind of leaning. You're still inside the ramp, inside the coping, right? And that's, you know, if you jump straight up and land, go to land, you're gonna flip back. So you want to lean forward when you do these. Okay? They're little ones. A lot of fun now. Woo! Wow, one foot at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
That was higher. Yeah, that was higher.
So those are real fun. How are we on time, huh?
Oh, we're about 4 minutes.
4 minutes in. So see if I can actually get high enough to get out.
All right.
Very challenging.
Can you do it? Yo. Oh, that was high.
Yeah, front side's fun.
Seems like front side's not as scary.
It's not, but
Fakie's kind of scary, isn't it?
Fakie is so fun, though.
Yeah.
So, woo! It's been a while.
Cool.
I haven't skated in about a month. So. Pretty tired. But, so that's our little tutorial today. And a tour of our yard. Somewhat. But we really appreciate you guys checking out this channel. I hope this tutorial was useful and helpful and fun. Whew, I'm out of breath. But let's hear your comments, suggestions, and likes. And until next time, skaters, happy skating, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.
Meow.